Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
European shares slid and bond yields rallied after a sharp rise in UK inflation brought the spotlight back to more monetary tightening, amid data which showed Eurozone economic growth was slightly less robust in the second quarter. During the Ethereum merge, the crypto exchange Coinbase will temporarily pause deposits and withdrawals of ETH and ERC20 tokens as a precaution. The ruble soared to a one-week high against the euro as Russia's currency and stocks swung in volatile trade, hurt by oil prices touching a 6-month low, but helped by the prospect of upcoming tax payments that usually boost demand. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Austrian HICP at 0700 hours GMT. Australia's employment change at 0130 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.